As a gay Igbo man who is juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, I am living my life. I am being visible. I am doing what needs to be done. I am being juicy, moisturized, hydrated. You can be yourself. There is no problem whatsoever with you being a homosexual, a lesbian, a trans woman, a trans man, or gender non-conforming. We are not wrong. We are not a mistake. We are not a taboo. We are not a phase. We are amazing, unique, wonderful, and fabulous. No matter what anyone tells you as a queer person, do not listen to them, because you are not a sinner. Any belief system that is telling you that you are wrong is not spiritual. You can be a gay person, you can be a lesbian and go to church and go to prayers and worship God. There is nothing wrong with you. For anyone that is so obsessed with us queer people, mind your business. I did what I needed to do today, packed all the clothes, arranged myself, and just continue to be juicy as always. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.